Hello, in front of me I've got Endorfy Thock. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with dedicated app. In the beginning, let's go to Endorfy website, go to software and support. Go to keyboards and talk wireless or wired. Download the software and then install it. Next, open the app. And as you can see, your keyboard will be automatically connected with the app. Next, you can start upgrade of the firmware. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.